Here is question 5. We are given two logarithms, each with a different base, and we need to combine them into a single expression with a new base. The given information, log base m of p equals x and log base n of p equals y. And what we must find, log base m over n of p written in terms of x and y. So here is what we are working with. We know two logs in terms of x and y, and we need to find this third log with the combined base. The key technique here is the change of base formula. It lets us flip a logarithm upside down by swapping the base and the argument. We will also need the quotient law, which splits a log of a fraction into a subtraction. The plan, flip the whole log using change of base, then split the fraction inside it using the quotient law. That way we land on terms with log base m and log base n, which we already know. Step 1. Apply the change of base formula to flip the log. We start with the expression we want to find. Applying change of base, the base becomes the new argument and the argument becomes the new base. The whole thing flips into a reciprocal. Step 2. Now expand the log fraction in the denominator. The quotient law splits the log of a fraction into the log of the top minus the log of the bottom. Substituting that back into our expression from step 1, we now have log p of m and log p of n in the denominator. Step 3. Now we convert log p of m and log p of n into x and y using the given information. Apply change of base again to flip log p of m. We get 1 over log m of p, and that is just 1 over x. The same move for log p of n. That is 1 over log n of p, which equals 1 over y. Substituting both in, we get 1 over the quantity 1 over x minus 1 over y. Step 4. Tidy up the fraction inside the denominator. Bring 1 over x and 1 over y to a common denominator of xy. The top becomes y minus x. Putting that fraction back into the denominator. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So 1 over open bracket y minus x over xy close bracket becomes xy over y minus x. That is our answer. Final answer. Log base m over n of p equals xy over y minus x.